Monday. If you celebrated Easter yesterday, I hope that you had a wonderful day. If you didn't, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Some of my friends are still celebrating Easter, so you may be watching this video on Tuesday. So if you are, happy Tuesday. This week, we are going to start to learn about equal parts, and which will lead us into fractions. So this is a new concept, but I think you guys will do fantastic with it. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. I miss you guys. It starts our third week of our video learning, but we will continue to do the best that we can with what we have, and I know you guys are working really hard, and I really appreciate that. So, but I do want you to know again how much Mrs. Wright misses you. Today, what we're going to talk about are equal and not equal parts. And we have used that equal sign a lot. Remember at the very beginning of the year, we talked about the fact that the equal means the same. So if I have 3 circles on this side of the equal sign, I also need to have 3 on this side to make them equal. We're going to learn about that now today, using it in parts of something, okay? So I have my Play-Doh back today, and what I'm going to do is I am going to make a circle here. Actually, I'm going to make it so that it's an actual circle. So let me grab my circle cookie cutter here real quick. So make my circle. Okay, so this is a whole circle. This is one whole part. I want to show you what it looks like if I were to cut this whole part into unequal parts. We know unequal means not the same, okay? So let's say this was a delicious chocolate chip cookie, okay? And let's say I was going to share it with Kaylin. So I'm going to cut this cookie, and you can see my 2 parts. If you look closely, you can tell that this part is smaller than this part. These 2 parts are not equal, okay? If I gave Kaylin this piece of chocolate chip cookie and Mrs. Wright got this piece of chocolate chip cookie, I don't think she would be very happy with me because her side is a lot smaller than Mrs. Wright's side. Not equal parts, okay? Now we're going to take this cookie. Let me remake my cookie here. Okay, so here's my cookie, my whole cookie, and I'm going to cut it now into equal parts. So I'm going to do that by cutting right down the middle. And if you look closely, you can see that this side and this side are the same size. I can even put them next to each other like this, and they're the same size. These 2 parts of my cookie are equal parts, okay? All right. So today what you're going to do is you're going to do an equal and a not equal sort. So if you have a piece of pizza here, put some pepperonis on it, okay? And you were to cut it this way, these two parts, part 1 and part 2, would not be equal parts. That is not equal. But if you were to have a piece of pizza, and we cut it this way, part 1 and part 2 are equal parts. They're the same size on both sides. So you're going to practice that today, equal and not equal. Have a great day. I miss you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.